weather station where you and your partners can learn about the weather here in Dallas, Texas.
We got 3 weather reports this morning, and we'll start with the weather for today. Take it away, Christian.
Hello and good morning. I'm Christian Alberton, your meteorologist, and I'll be providing you with the forecast for today. We can see right around here some mid to high temperatures, a lot of high humidity, so be prepared for it to be a little warmer than the temperature actually dictates. We can see up here that we're going to have a lot of clouds and a lot of overcast skies, and roughly around here we're going to have some thundery outbreaks, but with no rain. However, it's always a good idea to bring an umbrella along just in case. And again, some really hot temperatures and some winds blowing in from the southeast areas. Up here we can see our graph as temperatures steadily climb into the low 80s into the mid-afternoon at times. And then during around 6 to 7 p.m. we're going to see some strong 20 mile per hour gusts. So while you're driving into work today, keep that in mind and stay safe. And right here we can see our temperature map from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. today, which will have again, as I said before, some mid to high temperatures up to the low 80s. I'm meteorologist Christian Alberton, and I'm sending it back to our desk.
Take it away, Cam.
Hello and good morning, Texas. I'm Cam Weddle Ranch. I'm going to be telling you about the weather this weekend in Texas. We're going to have some crazy severe storms up in the northeastern area, baseball-sized hail, and it's going to be pretty decent chance of rain with about 40%. Very low chance of tornadoes, but we could have it. We got some 17 mile an hour winds, 24 mile an hour gusts. The rain's mostly going to be in northeastern Texas too, but once you get out of Texas, up here a little more, rain chance gets higher. But we don't really care about that because we're Texans. And yeah, it's going to be high temperatures, 90 degrees, stuff like that. So as you can see, it's going to be pretty windy around here. The rain goes straight through the northeastern Texas, and yeah. And now we're on a temperature chart, so you can see we've got an average low and the average high. So it's going to be a pretty warm weekend, about average though. And you're going to want some sun protection. The UV index is going to be up to 8. So if you're out horse riding or wrangling, you're going to want to put on some sunscreen or wear a cowboy hat like mine. They're real nice. Anyways, I'm going to send it back to our anchors. Finally, we have our national weather forecast for next week.
As you can see here from this here map, we're going to have a high of about 90 degrees in the southern area like Texas, where I am from, in Florida, Louisiana, and in the central regions, got about 80 degrees, 70 degrees. Up in the northern regions, got about 60, 70 degrees, and in the western region, can even get down into the 50s. From this map, we've got lots of precipitation in our eastern area of the United States. You see, even over here down in the Texas region, getting a little bit of precipitation. See, as you can see here, we got a bit of a dip and a jet stream. It's going to be causing some weather, some different weather that we're going to have. See, we got there's going to be a warmer area down here, low here, and a cooler area up here. This is a map of our droughts that we're going to see, and as you can see here, we're going to have some droughts at the bottom part of Texas where, the rain's not going to reach. Also, other parts around here in, say, New Mexico, Arizona, so we got some more droughts and stuff, but as you can see on this map, in the areas where there's not this yellow stuff, there's going to be some flash flooding. So if you live in Oklahoma or like northern Texas where I am from, you're going to be worried about some flash flooding.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day now, you hear?
See ya.
All you boys, get your partner now. Let's play.